So last time I had a intro. Am I gonna have to do this every time? Yo, what's up guys? My name is Chuck Lee. I'm an artist from Detroit. Started off like 10-hundish.
Yeah.
Today we got a cool episode. Today I do a painting for my boy Roger. He's seen my paintings all over Instagram and whatnot, and we haven't really spoken in a really long time. We used to both be bar regulars at this bar, and honestly we haven't talked in years, and he loves what I do, and he saw on Instagram that I had this sketch. I did this sketch on Instagram, and I asked my Instagram audience if they'd like to see me paint it and see some color to it. And Roger was the first person to jump on the post and was up there like, yes, I want it, I need it, name your price. I was up there like, oh shit, $1 million. It's like, nah. He said his daughter would love it, so I went ahead and put paint to it. I got a piece of canvas paper and I went to town on it. It was such a fun project because this project is unlike a lot of projects that I've done in the past. There was zero reference. It was mostly just a doodle that I just came up with in my head. All the music is mine. No feature artist this week, for sure. A feature artist next week, and a feature music guest next week. So we are looking forward to that. I ain't gonna hold you guys up anymore. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I wanted to get a basic layer down first. I wanted that, wash of the acrylic and purple just to have something underneath the painting as I went. And then I immediately went into getting a gold leaf down. Now, I just needed to get that gold leaf down as quick as possible because I know that it's a lot easier to paint over the gold leaf than to go back and find colors if I did the gold leaf wrong and it stuck to the wrong parts. And I've learned that gold leaf can be a struggle sometime. After I get the gold leaf done, I went ahead and started working on the dark parts of the face. I wanted to get those dark parts in real quick before merging them into the lighter parts. I could have done this a little bit better. I am working on it, and I think I got away with it because it's like a fantasy character. It's like made up, it's my own character, and I got a little more leeway with the lighting, but I'd like to work on that more when it comes to my portraits. Alright guys, so when it came to the eyes, I was positive that I wanted to have fur be purple, but I wanted like some other accent color. So me and my baby decided that teal would be a good color because it's quote unquote spooky. So I went ahead and made the eyes and the lips teal, and she told me to make the nails teal, but I totally forgot as I was painting the nails, and I just made them white anyway. But the teal and the purple, I think those are two colors that really go together really nicely, so that's where I got the idea to do the eyes. My baby, it's not really my idea, I guess. Anyway, rambling. So I spent a lot of time on the hair and lips for no other reason than I just enjoyed doing them. It's really fun to do the hair now. You remember in some previous paintings I was having a hard time with beards and hair and stuff like that, but I really enjoyed doing the hair on this character a whole lot. And the lips too, just making them full, and I just enjoy that style, the big lips and the big eyes and the disproportions, and it was just a lot of fun to sit there and paint in that environment. When it came to her outfit and wings, for a minute I was gonna do them at least the top part of the wing in purple, or the outfit and a darker brown and whatnot. but I felt like it would take away from the painting. I kind of wanted what she was wearing and the wings to kind of blend into the super light background and have her face really be the center of attention for the painting. So I decided to just go with like a tan-ish, brownish for both the wings and her outfit. That's just my train of thought for that part. Alright guys, so now we're going ahead and getting that line work in. I really love doing line work. So I'm getting that white outline in. I'm finishing up a lot of the black outline somewhere here in this section somewhere. But most importantly, I'm working on some clouds. Now, if you know me and you know my channel, you know I've been really wanting to get to some more clouds. So it was real fun painting all of these clouds, getting them in, doing the colors from dark to light, going from the bottom to the top. I kind of thought it went with the whole aesthetic of the angelish demon hybrid and limbo type of aesthetic that I was going for. You let me know what you think in the comments. Yo, that's gonna be a wrap on this one. Thank you so much for coming out for another one of my videos. Love each and every one of you so much. Roger, wow, blast from the past, my dude, man. I am so glad that you commissioned this piece from me for your daughter. I hope she loves it. Please let me know if she loves it. Nah, don't let me know if she doesn't love it because I'll be heartbroken. Thank you guys so much for coming out for another video. I really do feel like season 2 is going strong. A lot less stress now that I have a little bit of back catalog to do these videos with, but still, I still see the progression, and we're still not yet gonna do the big painting that I did. I don't know. I don't know. Next week, probably. That's where the musical guest and the art teacher is gonna come in. We got a lot of exciting things coming for the future. I got a lot of aspirations for things that I want to do, and hopefully I can bring you guys along for the journey with me. Love you guys. Peace, love. I'll talk to you guys next week for some more sweet stuff.